Oslo, the capital of Norway, is a vibrant and beautiful place offering a unique blend of natural beauty and urban charm. Located on the country's southern coast, Oslo is known for its stunning scenery, rich history, and thriving cultural scene. For those planning a trip to Oslo, watching a drone video can be an invaluable experience when exploring the sights from above and planning an itinerary. The city of Oslo itself is nestled between the Oslo Fjord and lush green hills, offering travelers breathtaking views. The landscape offers the perfect balance between nature and modern architecture, with parks, forests, and public gardens seamlessly integrated into the cityscape. For travelers looking to explore this charming city, there is no shortage of attractions to visit. From iconic landmarks like the Royal Palace and Akershus Fortress to world-class museums like the Viking Ship Museum and the Munch Museum, Oslo offers a rich cultural heritage. In terms of tourist logistics, Oslo is well connected with an efficient public transportation system including buses, streetcars, trains, and ferries. The city also has a reputation for being safe and clean, making it an ideal destination for individual travelers and families alike. Whether you're interested in exploring historical sites or immersing yourself in the beauty of nature, a visit to Oslo promises an unforgettable experience. With its welcoming atmosphere and abundance of attractions to suit every taste, it's no wonder that this Scandinavian gem continues to charm travelers from all over the world.